Okay, that's everything for topic 1. Now we're going to move on to topic 2, which is dictionaries. You could say, now that we've learned what sets are, that dictionaries are like sets with keys for each value in the set. Values can be accessed in the dictionary using their keys. So everything in a dictionary is a key-value pair. So here's an example. I'm creating my dictionary, and then it's, again, like sets, it's using the braces, but in this case, instead of just having a series of values, I have a key, which in this case is first name, a colon, and then the value that's linked to that key. So first name is the key, Matt is the value. And then I have another pair. So I've got last name as the key, Gilbertson is the value. And then the third one I have here, occupation is the key, and instructor is the value. And then I finally end that dictionary with an end brace. So that's how I created my dictionary. Then I can print that, and then I can access values in my dictionary by accessing them with their key. So I'm saying, hey, give me my dictionary first name value. So this is going to return Matt. I'm using the key to get the value. And then the second one here is saying, hey, give me the value associated with occupation. So when I run that, you can see it outputs the dictionary in its entirety, and then it returns the value for first name and the value for occupation. Continuing on, values can be deleted from the dictionary using their keys. So here is, I'm using my dictionary again, and I'm going to say just delete my occupation. So if I do that, you can see now when I reprint my dictionary, the occupation key value pair is now gone. It was there before, now it's no longer there. I can output all the keys or values from my dictionary. So here's a new dictionary I created just to keep it fresh, I guess. My other dictionary, again, its address is the key, and here's the address value. Here's phone is the key, the number is the value, and then age is key, value is 40, city is key, value is 20. So I got 4 items in my dictionary, or 4 pairs in my dictionary. And this is how I would output the keys from my dictionary. So I just print a list of my other dictionary, which just gives me the list of keys. And I can output the values by doing my other dictionary dot values. And you can see it converts the keys into its own list and outputs them. And then I can pull the values this way, where you can see the address, the phone number, the age, and the city. I can actually get the value of using a key by using the .get method as well. So my other dictionary .get, and I'm saying, hey, give me the value associated with age. So if I do this, you can see it outputs the value 40 because that's the value for that key. The thing you can do here is you can also output a message that, hey, if it doesn't find this key value pair, print something to the screen. So if I say, hey, I'm not looking for age, I'm looking for gender. If I now run this again, you're going to see, hey, it looked for a key of gender, didn't find it, so it output failure. So it's just a nice thing that get allows to give your user a little more information if they attempt to access something that's not there. I can iterate over dictionaries too, and this can be pretty useful. Sometimes the syntax messes people up a little bit with this one, so you have to be careful. But here I've got a for loop, because I'm going to use a for loop to iterate over my dictionary. And I can say for key, comma, value. Now, these are just variables. You could call them anything you want, but I'm just keeping it simple here. I'm saying for key value in, and then I have to say what dictionary I want to iterate over, and then I have to put dot items. If I don't put dot items here, it's not going to work. It's going to give an error. But if I do it this way, then I can just say, in this case, I'm just printing it. So I'm saying, hey, print the key is this, / the value is this. So when I run this, it's going to hit all 4 items in the dictionary, and then print the key and the value. So I can iterate over dictionaries that way. And I can also check for memberships in dictionaries as well. So again, here's my other dictionary. I'm just going to print it so I can look at it, and then I can check if a key is in the dictionary. So I'm going to say, hey, phone in my other dictionary. So this is going to resolve to a true or false. And then I can check if the value is in my dictionary. So I can say, hey, is Des Moines in my other dictionary dot values? And so you can see here's the dictionary is printed so you can see it. And then phone is a key in my dictionary. And Des Moines is a value in my dictionary. Now, if I tried to put Des Moines as a key, I'm going to get false because Des Moines is not a key. Des Moines is a value. And if I put something else here that's not actually a value, whatever, I'm going to get false there as well. A note on ordering of dictionaries. So up until fairly recently, dictionaries have been considered like sets in that they are an unordered collection. However, as of Python 3.6, they have become ordered collections. So you can trust that as long as you're in Python 3.6 or newer, you can trust that if you put 5 items into a dictionary and then you pop them off the dictionary, you're going to get them back in the same order. I would caution you with this though, because a lot of companies that are using Python aren't necessarily upgraded to that new of a Python version, so you may end up with unexpected results. So I would consider dictionaries still to be unordered collections if you are working in an environment where you don't know that everybody is on a new enough version of Python. If you need to order a dictionary and you want to be extra careful, there is a module called OrderDict that allows you to create a dictionary that is guaranteed to be ordered, and that would be backward compatible to older versions of Python. We don't do that here, but just be aware that there is an option to ensure that your dictionaries are ordered.